Chrysler. What I am tired of, and I think what and almost has happened, almost like that computer. Which way you going, baby? Yeah. Almost like that I don't know. I'm not a mechanic, but I am sick of buying stuff and the problem still is there. So I ain't going my way to get him. He gonna have to show me before I spend any more money, baby. I'm not just gonna believe what he say. Yeah. You got to show me, baby. And now he's saying it's the heater core. Heater core or heater cord. The money I have spent out on this car, I could have bought me a new Chrysler. But I hope he don't think he got a fool, baby, because this, yeah. This ain't where it's at. This ain't where it's at. My hair look like, who did it and what? And what for?